Welcome back. So, in this video, we'll be summarizing or trying to recap what you learned in the past few lessons. So, um, in the past few videos, in fact. Uh, so, this section was basically to know the numbers between um, 11 and 30. And from what you saw, there are certain patterns that need to be known. For instance, numbers between 11 and 20, there are uh, two patterns that need to be noted. So one is between 11 and 15, all of the numbers end with CE, which is pronounced as se. Once, doce, trece, catorce, quince. The second pattern is numbers from 16 to 19. They start with dieci, 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 dieciséis. And we can verify the pronunciation by
dieci,
just a second. Let's copy the whole number, right?
dieciséis,
Yeah, dieciséis. So dieci, right? I just want to make sure the pronunciation is correct. So dieciséis, diecisiete, dieciocho, diecinueve, viente. So you have once, doce, trece, catorce, quince, dieciséis, diecisiete, dieciocho, diecinueve, and viente. So we have two patterns for numbers between 11 and 20. And for numbers between 21 and 30, we have one pattern, in fact. So that is to do with the beginning of the number. So for instance, 21 is veintiuno. And let's check the pronunciation again for this.
veintiuno,
Veintiuno. Correction, veintiuno. Veintiuno, and we have here, let's make sure we have this right.
veinte,
Veinte, veinte, veintiuno, veintiuno, veintidós, veintitrés, veinticuatro, veinticinco, veintiséis, veintisiete, veintiocho, veintinueve, and this is another one that we need to look at in terms of pronunciation. And let's listen to the pronunciation.
treinta,
Treinta. Break it down. So TRE, let's have it like one part of the number. IN, in, and ta. Treinta.
treinta,
30. So, I mean, at first it might be a little overwhelming in terms of to pronounce those numbers, but I guess with practice, it'll eventually uh, could eventually know and retain the pronunciation. All right, so let's look at it one more time. Numbers 21 and 30, they start with vein, that is vein, veintiuno, veintiuno, uh, um,
veintiuno,
yeah, veintiuno, veintidós, veintitrés, veinticuatro, veinticinco, veintiséis, veintisiete, veintiocho, veintinueve, and treinta. Um, okay, so all right, so we have two patterns for numbers 11 to 20 and one pattern for 21 and 30. So in the next video, we'll be taking a basic quiz. So until then, see you next time.